criminal
So,
matter.
so the fact that he's a flight risk, my son could be under Jordanian law. SAAD, Muhammad Ali, AQRABAWI can keep my son in Jordan until
right
he's
now,
18.
You have your son, right?
Right, but as soon as he gets him, he can take him to Jordan.
Has he done that before?
No, he hasn't.
Okay.
But his mother's
Then
dying.
He's not a flight risk.
Yes, he is.
So.
Has he tried to kill me before? No, he hasn't.
I don't get involved
So,
in that. That's the courts for the courts.
Has he done a first-degree burglary before? No, he hasn't.
Asking for a sergeant. I'm here. We're giving you the case number from today.
And I'd like to know why, if Sergeant Ferrari assured me last night that the first-degree burglary and battery that occurred here on 5/1 when he was here on the evening, when I did call 911, and somehow there's no record of it. But there is a record from the next day stating that you were out here the night before. Got the wrong case number, but it does state that. So
I don't know. I'll have to get with
Sergeant. Why is he not been arrested for a first-degree burglary and a battery?
At this time,
that's criminal.
I don't have that.
That is your jurisdiction.
It is criminal. If there's probable cause. If there's
he was standing right there. Nobody.
We're not arresting.
No probable causes. Okay.
So
that's not probable cause.
That's the way it works.
You're a lawyer. You understand how probable cause works.
Yeah, I do, and I understand there's a 911 tape. There's a recording.
So
there's probable cause. Yes,
right.
And I've also got a witness. So yes.
It's all based off of all those things coming together that form its probable cause.
Yeah.
So I can see why you're asking, but you kind of understand it.
No, I know what he did.
Okay.
And I know he should be in jail.
I just want to say one more thing.
Okay.
So they're really not. They shouldn't contact each other besides scheduling times to give over the child to each other. Well,
that would be up to the courts.
I know. I know. I have a point to it.
Obviously, they have a child in common, so they need to be in conversation with each other.
He said, "I need to know where my son is, exact place, who he's with, everything." Because we've been in and out of a couple hotels over the past few days.
Because we're scared, running for our lives.
We literally, I've been stalked at my house. My mom has been stalked at her house. We got ran off the road by the car that he drives.
No, he almost murdered us.
He almost definitely.
Head on, 50 miles an hour,
he
dead.
didn't tell her anything about where her child was or nothing.
Never
for
called
2
me.
whole weeks.
Never called me.
And then when we said,
no, listen. I told the police that my son could be in Jordan. They said I don't care. Not my problem.
Anyway, so
Civil
we
matter.
decided to tell him because we're actually good people. She actually has the legal.
Because I'm an attorney.
She's an attorney. She said exactly what hotel and the unit number. So then the next day, we have a knock on the door from DCF. Next day.
Next morning.
Allegations that he won't even tell us what is happening.
No, allegations that I'm always drunk around my child. I'm never drunk around my child. Saad's drunk every night. And you can look back in January when you had 2 officers come out.
What was the question?
I'm not having a question. I'm just stating he had 2 weeks where he said he didn't tell her where her child was or anything.
But there's nothing criminal about that. The state in the
But
court
he said it in
Yes,
the
it
text
does.
that his attorney said.
Yes, it
that
does.
he legally
Then take them
needs
to court.
to know
Call your
where
attorney. You're
the
an
kid
attorney.
is.
Then you should know this.
Right, but there's a
This
lot of
is
criminal
civil.
stuff. That's your
There's nothing
jurisdiction.
criminal.
Nothing criminal?
No. You're an
Battery?
attorney, you should know.
Battery? Battery's criminal.
Battery,
Do the
attempted
DCF
murder,
investigator?
No, on 5/1. I just told you. On 5/1.
attempted murder,
Saad Muhammad
first-degree
Ali.
You said you called the police and there was
slander.
a report.
He's been slandering my
No,
name.
there's no
all in
report.
the mud,
It's
by
been
the way.
erased.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
First
Sergeant
degree-
Ferrari,
first-degree burglary.
maybe Sergeant Machete.
Slander.
One of them.
Battery.
Someone erased it.
3 big ones and attempted murder. So we got 4.
That's criminal.
Battery, first degree burglary,
Burglary.
Are you
attempted
still
murder.
seeing your doctor?
Oh, yes, I am, ma'am.
Okay.
And that's none of your business, is it? Because that's not a criminal matter, is it? So, Shepard, please, just keep quiet.
Are we good?
Yeah,
Yes, we're
I think
good. Are you still seeing your doctor? Oh, ma'am, yes. I'd like to know, when was that police report that I supposedly threatened to kill my sister? Yes, because that's slander and libel. And I can sue you and my half-sister.
Well, if you would know, you actually can't sue me because I was checking on your welfare, but you're more than welcome to
No, I'll
go
sue
down to
I'll
the
sue the police
department.
department.
You can go down to the police department.
Delray
You
Police.
can-
I'd love to do that. I'll
you
make a lot of money off of
pull
that.
You can pull the incident report.
What date was that?
It was, I would have to check.
Because you told me that I threatened to kill my sister. That's slander right there. You slandered
I'm
me.
not slandered.
That is slander.
I'm
yes, it is.
worried about your welfare.
Did she
There's
not
nothing
say?
about slander.
Did
If
she not
that's
say that I
all
I threatened to kill my sister?
If that's
Yes, she
all I
did.
get, it's not slander.
All right, are we done?
But we're done.
What date was that? You did not tell me the date.
Come down to the police department and get it.
Yeah, I'm so safe there. Right. Yeah. That's where I'm safe.
All right.